channel. If you are a returning viewer or a subscriber, welcome back. If you are new, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, aka Chanel. The name of my channel is Lizzie Luxury. Lizzie Luxury is your one-stop channel for everything beauty, fashion, glamour, and lifestyle. If you have passion, love, interest in maybe one or all of the subjects, you have come to the right place. Please make yourself comfortable, get your glass of wine or a glass of champagne, because today I have another interesting hot product to review for you guys. I'm excited, I'm happy about this product, this review, and I am hoping you guys are going to enjoy this review. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends to help my channel grow. Also, do not forget to turn on that notification bell so each time I upload a new video, you would be the first to know. Without any delay, I am going to jump straight into this review. Today, what I got in my hands came in this beautiful white box. On the front, you can see it says Moschino Couture Milano. Moschino Couture Milano. Moschino is an Italian fashion house, high-end luxury designer. They have been in business since in the early 1980s. They specialize in ready-to-wear, handbags, fashion accessories, you name it. We have Moschino Milano, kind of like a booklet. We have a card here. It says, "Thanks for your purchase. We really appreciate you shopping with us." Of course, we have our dust bag. On the front, you can see it says Moschino Couture Milano. On the back, it is just plain. It's very essential to have a dust bag because you want to take good care of your product, your item. And here, guys, we have the Moschino Couture Gold Galvanic Black Leather Mid-Heel Logo Pump. Moschino Couture Gold Galvanic Black Leather Mid-Heel Logo Pump. Very beautiful. So I'm going to try to show it to you from a different angle. So you can see. Moschino Couture Milano. It's very, very beautiful, guys. So I'm going to take the paper wrap out and show it again to you so you can really see how gorgeous this pump is. I'll show it to you like this. I'll show it to you again from a different angle like this. This pump is made in Italy. It's made of leather. It's very smooth, soft, shiny leather. It's really, really gorgeous. As you can see, we have the logo embellished on the straps. Here you have Moschino. On the next strap, you have Couture. And down below here, we have Milano. So, Moschino Couture Milano. It's gorgeous. On the insole, we have the logo. It's Moschino. On the sole, we have Moschino Milano. The inside of this palm is also leather, as you can see. On the back, we have a zip. There's a zip on the back. The Moschino Couture Milano palm sits on a 3.3-inch heel. It's a pencil-like heel, as you can all see. It's a pencil-like heel. And the front here is described as a pointed toe. The gold logo and the black leather makes a very beautiful contrast. It just adds some elegance, sophistication to this pump. This is really, really beautiful. All thanks to Jeremy Scott. He is the creative director of Moschino, and he's been doing such an amazing job. I read somewhere that his inspiration is from the pop and cartoon world. Yes, his inspiration comes from the pop and cartoon world. He is known for some unique designs and very, very strong, impactful creations. Moschino, you can never go wrong with Moschino. Their design is described as colorful, energetic, eccentric, unapologetic, you name it. Everything about their design is really, really beautiful. I love Moschino. I've never had any issues with any of their products. So you guys should check them out. You can just go straight to the Moschino online boutique and just check them out for yourself. And I'm hoping you guys would find something that you like. I purchased this pump from the Nordstrom rack online. At the time of the purchase, it was retailed for $890, but I was fortunate to catch this pump on sale for $529.97 so it was 40% off. 40% off. So you guys can see on that white sticker, it has the price. It's $529.97, 40% off. So that was a big bargain. Beautiful. This palm would definitely add this palm would definitely add sophistication and elegance to any look or any outfit, in my opinion. They are well made, well crafted. It is just so beautiful. I am sure you guys would agree. If I were to rate this palm, I would give it 5 out of 5 stars. They meet all the expectations. It's classy, it's elegant. I mean, it's just everything, basically. I also did a review on the Moschino Couture Milano sandals. It is exactly the same thing, but it's a sandals. So the only difference is that it is a sandals and the heel is taller. You can see here I have a picture of that sandals that I did a review on. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below for you guys to see or to watch that video. So let me know, guys, if you own any of the Moschino Couture Milano products. Let me know in the section below what you think about their products. Please, again, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for all your support. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye.